Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today I wanted to do an update on the AdapDesk, my experience. And boy, I'll tell you, it's a rather interesting one. As many of you know, I put out a video previously about the ransom and not getting the units unless you paid. I started a Facebook group, which I have. There's quite a number of backers in that group now. I'll put a link where you could join in that group. And so it got to the point where unless you paid, you weren't going to get, or pay the extra shipping, you weren't going to get your desk and the other additionals, whether the bag or additional desk. And then all of a sudden people were posting that they didn't pay the extra money, yet they were getting their desk. And then I thought I saw one person or maybe a couple people that did say that they paid the extra money who did not get their desk. And then it was just all across the board. So I just figured, okay, I'm not going to be getting my desk. I don't know. So yesterday I got home and I get a UPS tag on the door, attempted to deliver a required signature. Sure enough, what came? My AdapDesk. So I picked it up today. As you can see, got it right here. I didn't pay for the additional shipping. So I don't know how the company was determining who was getting it and who's not getting it, but I don't know. I'll put my backer number in the description. I don't recall what it is off the top of my head, but I'm going to put it together in this video so you could see what the product's like. But for those that haven't received it yet and have paid the extra shipping, I just am speechless for you, and I hope that you get your desk and this gets resolved. I know that there's also Indiegogo campaign going on, and hopefully, you know, those people in the end won't get hurt. So I don't know what the company is trying to accomplish here with some people getting it, some people are not, but it's rather confusing and kind of leaves you mind-boggled. But let me go ahead and open up the box just so you get an idea what to expect. So I got in I saw a lot of positive feedback on the product, and then somebody had said that, which we'll see here, when you lay your desk, there's a metal part on the bottom that would scratch your laptop. But let's take a look, and so this will give you an idea what to expect. But I was kind of shocked that it came. I was, but not really, because I saw other people were getting it. But I don't know, maybe I got it because I started the Facebook group and they wanted to show their goodwill. I don't know. But here we go. So this is the top. We got the bungee, got the instructions. There's 2 sets, the same thing. It shows you how to put it together. So that side and there, different information there. And then there is the inside. There's a mouse pad, the AdapDesk mouse pad. And let's start taking everything apart. All right, so I will follow the instructions. I'll just take all the parts apart just to show you here. I don't know what these parts are quite yet or where they go, but let's see the quality of the product. And I think this was the color that I did order. I don't know, I'm still in shock and I don't know, kind of speechless. But let's get this all set up here. And we'll hopefully this video is of help and will give you some feeling of comfort that, hey, if I got it, you're going to get yours too. So, but let's see. All right, so mine is the fold out. Look how small that is. Wow, that is really small. And there you go. That's, so there you go. So I think some people, the person that mentioned it was this part here would scratch your laptop. I'm not sure if it would scratch your laptop, but this is small. That is for sure. I'll have to check on the size that I got, but, and there you go. You can adjust this with this handle, this mechanism. You just push on that or push in, and this just locks in place. And then you can, I wonder how this, we'll have to take a look here, but Wonder how that goes back down. There must be a mechanism. Oh, I see. There you go. So what happens is this locks in place, and then you just push this out, this lever out, and then that just helps you close it up. Look at that. That is tiny. So I didn't get the backpack because I have another backpack that I figured I was going to put it in. But all right, let's go ahead and set this up here. Kind of interesting product. I mean, it looks like it's nicely designed. And ooh, let's see how this. There's probably I need to put something in place to make sure that it doesn't. Oy. Let's see. Okay, so this has to. There we go. So you just to lock it in place, you turn that. There you go. And then let's see how this works. I'm not sure what that is. Let me see. Let's see how we get this thing to move. So it's interesting how you gotta, I don't know, it's kind of interesting how they get you to move. So it locks in different positions. And then you just release again. Interesting. Thought I saw some pencil or something that was on there, but let's see. So I'm gonna put this in here. Now I got a cup holder, so where does this see? They do have instructions for a reason. All right, let's take a peek here. So all right, got everything opened up. So I know how to lock, so I know how to do that now. And then this goes, let's see how this goes. The instructions are kind of make sense here, but let's see. Okay, so I think this slides in here. Now there's knobs on the bottom there, and then this slides into, actually I may have to, there we go, I may have to just turn that opened up a little bit, and then this should just slide in place. All right, so very kind of cool. Whoop. I loosened that up. Went the wrong way. All right, I'm not the most mechanically inclined here, evidently. So I'm turning the knobs to the left. That locks it in place. So that will allow my laptop to work there. And then let's see, this piece here, trying to figure this out. Let's see. It says bumper plate for thick laptops, small plate for standard thickness. So it looks like you can, let me see, does it go here? Let's see here. Depending on the thickness of your device, select a bumper plate for thick laptops or for the small standard thickness, figure 13 and 14. So, oh, I see, there's two different plates, but I guess there comes two of them. So you can, maybe it's a backup one. That's interesting, okay. So you can use either one. I guess there's an extra one, and you can, so here, you could just use a standard laptop, like I've got a laptop, let me grab mine. And then you could see there on that angle how that would keep that in place. So we'll put the bungee on in a minute, but I might as well just keep that thicker one on there. And let's see. All right, so now I put the bungee. Bungee looks like it goes right on these edges here. Let's put the bungee on. Interesting desk. Let's see here. So that goes like that. And then what you would do, interesting, put your laptop there. Very cool. Check that out. Huh, interesting. And then, let me see, I should, if I want to adjust the setting. Whoa. Okay, that was not a smart idea. Okay, so you see I got it on the angle there. One of the things I'm finding is when you want to adjust the settings, the best suggestion is one, take your laptop out, but I'm just trying to figure out how to make it easier to when you want to adjust the different angles, but I guess you push one out, then I guess it'll just take a little bit of time. And that's right, that is for locking, I guess. There are these little pieces. I'm not sure what this is for, but obviously it's to lock something in place. And let's see what those are for. Huh, it doesn't really say what that is for, but let's see. I got this other piece here, so you could put your cell phone in there, and then there's two bungees. There's an extra one, so it looks like they give you two in case you need an extra one. Got an extra plate. And then lastly, we've got, let's see, this goes on one of the sides there. Let's take a peek here. Sorry, I am figuring this out as we go. Figure 17, cup holder. Oh, I dropped got the cup holder. So we got the cup holder, and just really understanding where the heck does this go? So, okay, I figured it out. So, there is the way this works. Very interesting. You got this lever here, and this helps. What this does, you push this out, I guess, and then this pops up, and then you could take it out. That's interesting. Okay, I am somewhat learning here as we go. Hopefully this will help a little bit, my video. I'm gonna edit it up a little bit so it will be helpful when you get yours, and you could just refer back to my video in case you need to. And then the same thing on this other side, and there you go. Huh, there it is, guys. I have to say, it's kind of nice looking, and all the craziness. It's such a shame that, you know, what we've faced to get this product, but it is very cool. So my suggestion is when you are, I guess you can put your laptop on, and you can adjust, just be careful. Now, one thing I'm going to do, let's see, this is the only pain in the neck thing, is how to adjust it properly. So, all right. That is the only pain in the neck thing that I see with this, is turning, you know, is adjusting the angle of it. Okay, so I was putting the video together, and for some reason my camera stopped recording, so I'm adding to the video that I was working on. But one of the things, by the way, when you put this piece in place here, you want to make sure that this part goes facing in because it's got the groove, so it catches the laptop from falling off. It puts that in place right there. So you want to just slide that in, and now the laptop, at this angle is not going to fall out. So just a point there. So this product is very, very cool. So I'm going to just show you as I'm lying down. Let me just adjust this height so you can see. Again, this is the only part that I find is a little bit difficult to do, and I wish they had a better system for adjusting it. But let me see if I can get it to go unlock and go all the way up, and just show you in the locked position as if you're gonna lie in bed or on the couch. Now you might have to remove, there's a board, you might have to remove this board here depending upon your lying situation. Now with me on the couch here, I'll just remove the board, move the pillows, and there you go. I just think I have to adjust this. Oh, this almost fell off there. So you're getting a real life experience here, guys. So there you go. And then you could just work right off the laptop. Laptop is safe. You can adjust the angle back if that angle is too steep for you. So there you go. You can work in bed. You have your cup for your drinks, and you can also put a book. But so pretty cool. Definitely interesting desk that they put together. So now let me go ahead and fold it up. Let me take this out. And then what I would do next is remove the cup holder piece. So you remove that. Got the board over here. You then turn this side up like this. You push, and I think then, okay, so then next, if you want to fold it up, you would unscrew this piece here. This slides out, and then, so you could remove these, but there's the handles there, but then, there you go. And then you would also want to adjust the angle on these. So you want to lock it into place like this. See, I'm learning to go for the first time. And one thing I'll show you as well. You can see it. There's a spring. That you can see the spring. It's in there. Well, it's kind of hard. I won't be able to show you on camera, but there is a spring. But there you go. That's it. And then actually one last thing to show you. What you could do is you can also then take these pieces, pop them out. Oh, jeez. Pop these out. Beating myself up, putting together and taking apart the desk. And there you go. And then you just put it in your bag with the other pieces and you are good to go. So I hope this video is of help. Sorry it's a little long, but I was thinking about shortcutting some parts, but I really wanted you to get the experience of what you may experience yourself when putting it together. Obviously you got the instructions there. Once you put it together and start using it, it will totally make sense how to use it moving forward. And to the company, thank you for delivering the desk to me. Please do what you can to get everyone else their desk, especially those that have paid the extra shipping fee to expedite to them and get their desk and their bags and all the additions that they've ordered. And that's it for now. So let me know again if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I hope everybody gets their desk and can enjoy it. Take care. Thanks for watching.